Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to make a complaint from your Deliveroo app. Now if you want to complain about the rider or if you want to complain on Deliveroo, then this is the video for you. So simply follow the steps shown in the video to make a complaint. Now if you want to complain on Deliveroo, you need to simply open the Deliveroo app or website. Now if you are using the app, then you may open the app, but if you are using the website, you need to simply open the website on a device or something like that. So after that, open the Deliveroo app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now after that, you need to go on the help center or support center. So it usually is on the help or the support center to make a complaint. So click on the profile icon at the very top right. So I'm not logged into my account because it is not available in my area yet, but I'll simply show you the steps. So after that, you need to scroll down and there you will see the option of help. So click on it, or if there is the option available of help or support, click on it and you need to choose the right issue. So select the relevant issue category, that is order problem, delivery issue, missing items or food quality, and tap on something went wrong with my order or whichever applies to your case. Now you need to describe the problem and you'll be prompted to explain the problem in details. You may also attach the photos. For example, if the order is missing or the order is wrong, then you may submit the photo and you may submit your complaint. After that, you need to submit it to the Deliveroo and they will either respond with the solution or follow-up action. So that's how you can make a complaint on Deliveroo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.